Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sketch eraser. We'll start by gathering a few simple materials you likely have around the house. This project is fun and practical, giving you a custom tool for your art. It's also a great way to understand the basic properties of materials. Let's get started with the first step of preparation. Now, let's get to the mixing. Carefully combine your rubber particles with the clay. The goal is to create a pliable dough that holds its shape. Add the binding agent slowly, mixing until it feels just right. Thorough kneading is key here to ensure your eraser is consistent and effective. This step determines the final quality. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With your compound ready, it's time to give it shape. Press the mixture firmly into your mold, making sure to fill all the edges. Smooth out the top surface to create a clean finish. You can even add a personal touch, like a small design or texture, to make it truly yours. This is where your creativity shines. Once shaped, your eraser needs time to set. Let it cure in a cool, dry spot for about 24 hours. This allows the binding agent to fully harden. After curing, test it out on some pencil marks to see how well it works. Finally, trim any rough edges for a perfectly finished, custom-made sketch eraser. You're almost done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.